G-Class 2009 Upgrade 2024 Bra Bus Design Complete Kit. Available handshake welcome to order. As you can see, hood scope front roof. Spoiler rear roof spoiler. Mirror cover spare tire cover all logo carbon fiber. Interior kit brand new seat back seat VIP seat long screen steering. Wheel carbon fiber Toponi. Blue color roof light. The kit includes all the necessary parts. Computers, wiring, and it's all plug and play. We also offer a wide selection of colors and designs. And you can also order designs from famous brands. Feel free to contact us, we always have highest quality parts, largest assortment of stock, unique assortment products, professional consultation, highest service, fastest delivery, worldwide shipping, and of course for all of this little bit high prices worldwide shipping. For details, price and orders, feel free to contact us inbox.